a crucial role in keeping the party in power and securing the majority of honorable members and distinguished senators in both chambers. Therefore, the zone rightfully deserves the aforementioned positions. We respectfully assure both candidates of our unshakable support and as well as the support of our principles, regardless of party affiliations, ensuring their victories in the upcoming contests. It is our earnest desire that they assume position of leadership in the 10th Assembly and provide quality governance for the Nigerian people. We wish Right Honorable Abass Tajuddin and the distinguished Senator Barrow Jibrin the very best good of luck.
Taking questions from the journalists on the overloading of Northwest geopolitical zone in federal positions, particularly the executives and the legislature, Mr. Silas Gabriel said Northwest geopolitical zone deserves not less than what it has been arranged by the party leadership because of its role played in the last presidential election. He added that what the members of Northwest National Assembly Legislative Aids Forum are doing is to speak on behalf of their principals, regardless of their political affiliations, for the best interest of the party and the current position it has taken on Senator Akpabio from the South-South geopolitical zone of Nigeria and the endorsement of Senator Jibril Barrow from the Northwest as presiding officers of the Senate.
So we are working for these two candidates through our, we were campaigning for them